Hello guys, welcome to our English channel. In this video, we will cover these essential sentences related to body health problems. These simple and practical sentences are perfect for beginners who want to improve their English vocabulary and communication skills. Whether you are feeling unwell or just want to expand your language, these sentences will help you describe various health issues accurately. Body health issues with sentences. Let's start. My head is itching. My eye hurts. I have worms in my stomach. I have an infection in my ear. My skin is itchy. I have a broken finger. Please repeat after me so you can learn better. I have a broken nail. I have a broken nail. My lips are swollen. My lips are swollen. I have a pimple on my face. I have a pimple on my face. My tongue is swollen. My tongue is swollen. My finger is bleeding. My finger is bleeding. I'm getting weak. I'm getting weak. My blood pressure is very high. My blood pressure is very high. I have lost weight. I have lost weight. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. My neck hurts. My neck hurts. I'm feeling depressed. I'm feeling depressed. I have a very bad dandruff. I have very bad dandruff. My tooth is shaking. My tooth is shaking. My tooth is broken. My tooth is broken. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a cold. I have a cold. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. I have a toothache. I have a toothache. I have a stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. I have a cough. I have a cough. I have a rash. I have a rash. I have an earache. I have an earache. I have a backache. I have a backache. I have a runny nose. I have a runny nose. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a sprained ankle. I have a sprained ankle. अगर आपने इस वीडियो में कुछ लर्न किया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर एंड ज़रूर करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।